Good morning to all the delegates and the dignitaries. I would like to welcome the inaugural session of National Level E-Conference on Recent Advances in Civil Engineering, RACE 2020. I, Nirisha Sidagam, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus, would like to invite all the keynote speakers, chief guests and guest of honors.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sushmita, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus. I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Chairman Gagandeep Singh Kohli, Managing Director Dr. H.S. Saini, Director Dr. M. Ramalinga Reddy, Associate Director Dr. Rishi Sayal, all the HODs, faculties and participants. Now I would like to welcome Dr. P. Jagadishan, Head of Civil Engineering Department, GNITC, and Convener RACE 2020 to present introductory speech. He has over 22 years experience in teaching. He has worked as consultant of structural design and published papers in many international conferences and journals. He has guided students for fund-based projects, organized various national level symposiums, conferences and workshops.
Good morning to all ladies and gentlemen who are presenting on this digital platform. On behalf of Guru Nanak Institution, I, Dr. P. Jagadishan, convener of the conference and head of Civil Engineering Department, welcome you all for the National E-Conference on Recent Advances in Civil Engineering RACE 2020 in association with Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and the Institution of Engineers, India. It's my pleasure to walk you through the conference, welcoming the chief guest, guest of honors, keynote speaker and various delegates who are taking part in this conference from all over the nation to share their vast experience and knowledge and enhance our mental horizon. The Department of Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Institutions, has organized this national conference, thus making the best podium for the researchers, academicians, technocrats and industrialists to enhance their knowledge and share a difference of opinion on a common platform. It's once said, my great man, that knowledge is power and knowledge shared is power multiplied. So let's multiply our power and stay united. Now I would like to introduce our guest, and we are proud to announce that the chief guest of this conference is Mr. B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center and Project Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad, with guest of honors Dr. A. Govardhan, Rector, JNTU Hyderabad, Dr. M. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar, JNTU Hyderabad, Dr. Venkatramana Reddy, Director Admission, JNTH, Dr. G. Rameswar Rao, Chairman, the Institution of Engineers, India, Telangana State Center. Every year we have a theme for the conference ranging from the technology to environment. This year the conference holds special value because this is the first conference in the history of our Civil Engineering Department where the entire conference is taking place on a digital platform. Due to the changing time caused by a COVID-19, we encourage all the delegates and participants to stay safe and maintain social distancing at your locations, as a result of which this conference will be the first of many conferences in the future that will be conducted remotely through the use of advanced technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality. We have experts from across the field who will be communicating with us and sharing their valuable thoughts, knowledge and opinion with the rest of us. The conference would not have been possible without enthusiastic and hard work of all the coordinators and mentors of various committees. A conference of this size relies on the contribution of reviewers for the invaluable help in the review process. We are also grateful to all the authors who trusted the conference with their work. My wholehearted thanks from the bottom of my heart to the chief guest and guest of honors for the conference. My special thanks to the keynote speaker and panel members of the technical session. We look forward to an exciting virtual online conference with insightful presentations, discussions, and sharing of technical ideas with teaching fraternity, researchers, and technocrats from the India. We thank you for taking part in the conference and hope you enjoy that same full as that of an offline one. Last but not least, I would like to thank the management for giving the opportunity being a part of the prestigious conference RACE 2020. I would like to conclude my speech to encouraging the delegates to participate with an increasing number in all the sessions and discussions through the digital platform provided for the day. I wish everyone a successful and safe conference. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you for your wonderful introductory speech.
Now I would like to introduce Professor K. Vijayalakshmi, co-convener RACE 2020 and Professor of Civil Engineering Department, Guru Nanak Institutions of Technical Campus, to introduce our Associate Director, Conference Co-Chair, Dr. Rishi Sayal.
I would like to invite our Associate Director, Dr. Rishi Sayal Sir, Conference Co-Chair. He has completed his PhD in Computer Science Engineering from Mysore University of Karnataka. His strategical decision and excellence in academics have played a major part in the development of the department. He played a pivotal role in organizing the first national e-conference in civil engineering. Due to his excellent organization and unconditional support, we are capable of organizing this national level conference during this pandemic situation.
Good morning, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center and Project Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. A. Govardhan, Professor Rector, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. A. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. C.H. Venkatramana Reddy, Director Admissions, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao, Chairman, Institution of Engineers, Telangana State Center, Hyderabad. Vice Chairman, Guru Nanak Institutions, Managing Director, Guru Nanak Institutions, Director, JNITC, Principal, JNIT, Head of the Departments, Faculties, Staff, Students, Participants and all delegates. A warm welcome to all. Good morning, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center and Project Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. A. Govardhan, Professor Rector, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. A. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. C.H. Venkatramana Reddy, Director Admissions, JNTU, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao, Chairman, Institution of Engineers, Telangana State Center, Hyderabad. Vice Chairman, Guru Nanak Institutions, Managing Director, Guru Nanak Institutions, Director, JNITC, Principal, JNIT, Head of the Departments, Faculties, Staff, Students, Participants and all delegates. A warm welcome to all. A warm welcome to the keynote speakers, Dr. K. Jagannath Rao, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, CBIT, Hyderabad. Dr. MVSS Giridhar, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad. I wholeheartedly welcome you all and sincerely thank you for taking part in the inaugural ceremony of the National E-Conference on Recent Advances in Civil Engineering. We are highly honored with your gracious presence in this conference, sirs. As the current global pandemic has created huge challenges and enormous impacts on all of us lives, RACE 2020 has decided to go online for the first time on September 19th, 2020. After much thought of deliberations and considerations, RACE 2020 has been planned for execution from an on-site event to an online virtual event for the first time. This virtual conference presents an excellent lineup of interactive keynote sessions and peer-reviewed paper presentations with marvelous networking in a new virtual environment. I hope that this conference will be a lively platform for accelerating the rate of quality of the research and innovation in the field of civil engineering. Guru Nanak Educational Society has been proud to conduct a sequence of conferences every year in each department to serve the needs of research and academicians around the globe. In fact, on August 28th and 29th, we have hosted the first e-conference in the Department of CSE, which was an international conference. More than 16 countries scholars have participated and more than 400 papers have been received in this international e-conference in the Department of CSE. RACE, the National Conference in Civil Engineering, is one of our flagship and the key conference in the field of civil engineering. It aims to bring together research scholars and delegates from industry academics to explore their innovative ideas in the field of civil engineering and hence to forge research relations between academia and industry. More specifically, it's my proud privilege to say that we have received more than 120 papers from different states of North India, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra, Kerala, and so on. The selected and presented papers of this conference will be published in the e-proceedings with valid ISBN number. We are also publishing a souvenir as a memo for the participants to carry on. The statistics of the papers and their contributions are that the number of papers which we have received is around 129, number of papers accepted is 87, so acceptance rate is 67%. At this proud moment, I would like to commend the unparalleled support and services of the review board members, the eminent professors from various universities and institutions around the nation who have done 2 rounds of the meticulous review process. In the first round, the papers submitted by the authors have been assessed based on the technical suitability, the scope of the paper, the plagiarism. The papers which met the first round successfully have been screened for the second round by 3 experts based on the originality, novelty, clarity, completeness, relevance, significance and research contribution. The second round was concluded with revised version of the papers according to the review remarks received after the first round of the review process. This conference features 2 keynote sessions and 5 technical sessions in one day. The keynote speakers for day one and the first keynote speaker is Dr. K. Janardhan Rao. The topic is Sustainability Aspects in Civil Engineering. He is a professor from Department of Civil Engineering, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. We have one more keynote speaker, very honorable Dr. MVSS Giridhar. The topic is Water Conservation, Rainwater Harvesting, a New Perspective. He is a professor from Department of Civil Engineering, JNU College of Engineering, Hyderabad. It's our honor and duty to express heartfelt thanks to our review board members for upholding the highest possible standards of the quality of our conference. Eventually, I take this opportunity to thank our chief patron Sardar Tavinder Singh Kohli sir, Chairman Guru Nanak Institutions, a great legend of wisdom and success whose unwavering moral support will always lead a better path towards success. Patron of the conference and Vice Chairman Sir Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli, I would like to mention hearty thanks whose continuous support and encouragement has constantly boosted up us to excel in all our endeavors. Our Managing Director Sir Dr. H.S. Saini sir, the conference chair, who is a pilot for the successful launching of this virtual conference and continued growth of Guru Nanak Institutions. A hearty thanks to you, sir. His continuous support and advice have always helped us in grooming this conference and all the conferences as such. At this moment, I would really like to thank from the bottom of my heart our director, Dr. M. Ramaling Reddy sir, Dr. S. Srinath Reddy, Principal JNIT, who have played a pivotal role in organizing this grand event. It's my privilege to thank the Institution of Engineers, Telangana State Center for their strong association and unwavering support throughout the conference. I would like to convey my hearty thanks to all the sponsors of this conference whose confidence in us has really made our day and made this conference a big success. I acknowledge the ceaseless efforts and contributions received from the head of the departments of civil engineering of both the colleges, faculties and staff members for their execution in this conference. It gives me immense pleasure to thank all the scholarly people, scientists, technocrats, academicians and research scholars from various organizations like Pest University, Bangalore, Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT, Tamil Nadu, Anamalla University, Chidambaram, Sona College of Engineering Technology, Tamil Nadu, Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology, Guntur, Karuna Institute of Technology and Science, Coimbatore, Gananami College of Engineering, Tamil Nadu, Al-Amin College of Engineering, Erode, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, Pondicherry Engineering College, Puducherry, Usmania University, JNTU, Hyderabad and many more places across the country whose research papers in this conference have given a real meaning and success to this national forum. I would like to applaud the organizing team of RACE 2020 who remain committed to fulfill our mission of fostering scientific exchange and learning and plan to conduct the RACE 2020 virtually, without which this virtual conference would have not been a reality. With warm regards, once again I welcome you all present the galaxy of this National E-Conference on recent advances in civil engineering, RACE 2020. I wish you all a very successful conference with an enriching personal and professional experience. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your detailed report on RACE 2020. Now I would like to invite Professor K. Vijayalakshmi to introduce our Vice Chairman, Gagandeep Singh Kohli.
It's my privilege to invite our Vice Chairman, Gagandeep Singh Kohli Garu, a dynamic leader who works on the strong principle to believe, achieve and succeed. He is persistently putting efforts to make Guru Nanak Institution a world-class institution for excellence. He feels that it is required to provide an encouraging and motivating atmosphere for the students, which in turn would help them to develop into well-qualified professional engineers tomorrow. All the institutions that are founded are keen in laying a strong foundation to the students to get through the threshold of bright career. Mr. Gagandeep Singh Kohli Garu, Vice Chairman, Guru Nanak Institutions, Hyderabad, has been facilitated by Indus Foundation with the Award for Educational Excellence on 14 November 2015 at 3rd Deccan International, Hyderabad for his excellent contribution in the technical education. The award has been presented by Dr. D.N. Reddy, UGC member and former Vice Chancellor of JNTUH. It was a moment of great pride and acknowledgement of the industrious effort put forth by the Training and Placement Department of Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus when it was conferred with the award of the Excellent Campus Recruitment in the state during the CMAI 2nd International Andhra Pradesh Educational Summit and Award 2015, supported by Department of MNRE, GOI, Department of MSME, GOI, AICTE, Association of Indian Universities, JNTU Anantapur, Electronics India, National Internet Exchange of India and NIE-LIT.
Namaskar, a very warm welcome to all the guests for the conference on recent advances in civil engineering 2020. At the outset, I am Gagandeep Singh Kohli, would like to welcome you all once again for this conference. I would like to welcome our chief guest for the conference, Dr. B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center, National Academy of Construction. Our guest of honors, Dr. Govardhan from Director, JNTU Hyderabad, Dr. Manzoor Hussain ji, Registrar, JNTU Hyderabad, Dr. Venkatramana Reddy, Director, Admissions, JNTU Hyderabad, and Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao, Chairman, Institute of Engineers. A very warm welcome to all of you, sir. At the outset, I am happy that our Department of Civil Engineering is organizing this conference and we have received a very good response. I would also like to convey my wishes and feel that all the participants are safe, and I hope this pandemic ends soon and the world comes back to normalcy. Wishing the department and wishing you all the very best for the conference. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
Thank you for your inspirable speech, sir.
Now I would like to invite Professor K. Vijayalakshmi to introduce our Managing Director Dr. H.S. Saini and also request him to release
ISBN volume, e-proceedings and souvenir.
It's my privilege to invite our Managing Director, Dr. Harvinder Singh Saini, sir, Conference Chair, RACE 2020. He has over 26 years of experience in teaching in the field of computer science engineering. He is an author of 3 research books. He is the founder and chief editor of Innovation Journals. He is the eminent speaker, visited many renowned institutions in India as well as abroad, and has delivered expertise speeches. He was been awarded as Eminent Educationalist Award by Indus Foundation for his excellent contribution in technical education. He has received prestigious fellowship from Computer Society of India in recognition to his service as professor and computer scientist. He is the advisor to various IT companies and educational institutions. He is expertise in research and development, consultancy, accreditation, training delivery, training monitoring, sourcing of people, recruitment and selection, administration, course development, appraisal management, stress management, strategic planning.
Good morning, one and all. Today's chief guest of this conference, RACE 2020, Mr. B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center and Projects Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad. Guest of Honor, Dr. A. Govardhan, Rector and Professor, JNTU, Hyderabad. Professor Dr. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar, JNTU, Hyderabad. Professor Venkateramana Reddy, Director, Admissions, JNTU, Hyderabad, Professor of Civil Engineering. Guest of Honor, Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao, Chairman, Institution of Engineers, Government of Telangana. Honorable Vice Chairman, Mr. C.S. Kohli. My dear directors, heads of departments, deans, and faculty members, invited speakers, delegates of this conference, students, and attendees. Friends, I, on the behalf of Guru Nanak Institutions, welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of inaugural program of this RACE 2020. During this difficult time of pandemic, it has become more relevant to conduct such events where we can add another area of discussion, how to help the humanity during the pandemic situations. And it's very relevant to civil engineering. Friend, today we have to think what kind of infrastructure is required in the future, that is post-pandemic, post-COVID era. Though the virus will still be in the society, but how the building should be designed, how the infrastructure should be planned, how the ventilation in the building should be designed, how the toilet should be designed, how the circulation area should be designed in the building or in the hospitals or other infrastructure, so that people remain safe from such diseases. So this will be a next food for thought. This is the area where our researchers, our young engineers should think and bring new and new design, new technologies. In this context, the international conferences and the workshops, discussions and speeches become very, very relevant. We at GNI have been continuously for so many years conducting international and national events and conferences Our team is highly trained, especially civil engineering team in this case have worked for months to bring up this event to this present level. And as a result, I can show you, I open up the souvenirs of the conference. It's high quality, and the proceedings they published with the papers of the contributors or the delegates have been published. I appreciate the hard work done by the team during the pandemic period to bring up the conference to this particular practical level. I appreciate the leadership of Dr. Rishi Syal, who have been working day and night, inspiring the people during the pandemic and helping them with the technology. I help the CSE department. I really appreciate the CSE department and the IT cell department administrators, computer administrator in our campus, who have been helping the team, the civil team as well as others, to record the proceedings or to bring up the conference to this level, providing the internet services. So really a good job done by all of you. And I believe we have experience now of doing an international conference in computer science, ICICI 2020. We have already done last month. With that experience, I am sure that the proceedings of this conference will be conducted very smoothly. We received a good number of papers, more than 250 papers we have received, which are shortlisted, and now less than 100 maybe, I think. I was told maybe 85 papers have been included in the proceedings. So a lot of scrutiny work, a lot of reading work has been done by our team as well as experts who are part of our team. So I appreciate their work, and I am sure that coming 2 days, coming this particular time, this one day of the conference. Sorry, 2 days, because we used to conduct the conference for 2 days, and this conference for only 1 day. This particular days will be full of learning for all of us, and especially for the students. And I wish good luck to all the delegates for their successful presentations. I congratulate them on their selection of their papers for this conference, and we'll make sure that the proceedings, the publication will reach to your residences or your postal addresses. We'll get them posted, and so I wish all the good luck to the team of RACE 2020 for the successful conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
Thank you for your wonderful speech, sir.
Now I would like to invite Professor K. Vijayalakshmi to introduce our director and also conference co-chair, Dr. M. Ramalinga Reddy.
I would like to invite our director, Dr. M. Ramalinga Reddy, conference co-chair. He graduated in mechanical engineering from Osmania University, Hyderabad in 1993. He obtained doctoral degree from Osmania University, Hyderabad in 2009 and FIE from Indian Institute of Engineers, Kolkata in 2011. He started his career as technical army man in Indian Air Force from March 1980 to August 1995. With his aptitude in administration, he had rendered his services as principal in various educational institutions, including CMR College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. He has published many research papers in national and international conferences or journals. He guided many BTech and MTech projects. Now I request Dr. Ramalinga Reddy to address the gathering.
Today's chief guest on the occasion of this national conference by Civil Engineering Department, Mr. B.C. Rao from National Academy of Constructions, Hyderabad. Our Vice Chairman, Sardar G.S. Kohli Saab. Our Visionary Managing Director of GNI, Dr. H.S. Saini Saab. Other dignitaries who blessed this particular event, Dr. Rishi of GNITC, head of the Department of Civil Engineering Department, faculty members and the students of Civil Engineering Department of both GNITC and the GNIT. Welcoming all of you and the delegates for this particular national conference being conducted by Civil Engineering Department. This national conference is first of its kind, having been conceived by Civil Engineering Department for the first time, and a lot of hard work has gone into this particular event to materialize, just because of the fact that it is being organized during COVID-19 conditions. In normal circumstances, conference conducting would not have been a problem, but because we in GNITC and GNI have a tradition of conducting national conferences or international conferences every year, but for some reason Civil Engineering Department is conducting this event for the first time, that too in these pandemic conditions. Obviously it mandates a great deal of effort on the part of the department and the staff members associated with this to see that this particular event becomes materialized on a successful note. And all this is possible when there is a good support and encouragement from the management and the administration. That is how I am very happy to note that finally we are in a position to conduct this national conference titled Recent Advances in Civil Engineering, being organized by the Civil Engineering Department of GNI in e-conference mode. That is how we are very happy that we are trying to bring a platform on which all the stakeholders like research scholars, academicians and industry experts will be able to deliberate on the recent advances in civil engineering for the benefit of the faculty members, students and other stakeholders in civil engineering department. And I have no doubt that the intended and desired outcomes of this particular conference will definitely be achieved in a way it is supposed to be and it is desired. And I am failing my duty if I do not extend my thanks to all the guests of honor like Dr. Govardhan, Rector from JNUH, Dr. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar from JNUH, Dr. Venkatramana Reddy from JNUH, Dr. Rameshwar Rao from Institute of Engineers, who extended their blessings and support to see that this particular event materializes on a grand scale. And I also thank the management for having provided every kind of support needed to conduct this particular event of national conference on such a great scale. And I have no doubt that a lot of hard work has gone into this and has been put up by the faculty members and the students as well in the department. And my congratulations to all of them, and I wish every delegate, every stakeholder in this conference a very good time for having participated, for trying to participate in this national conference. Good luck to everybody, and nice time for the next 24 hours during the deliberations of this national conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for an inspiring speech.
Now I would like to invite Dr. P. Sudharani, Civil Engineering Department, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, co-convener of RACE 2020, to introduce Principal, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, and Conference Co-Chair, Dr. S. Srinath Reddy.
Now, I would like to invite Dr. S. Srinath Reddy Garu, Principal, GNIT, Conference Co-Chair, RACE 2020. Dr. S. Srinath Reddy is a young and dynamic technical person who has 15 years of teaching experience in mechanical and aeronautical field and 3 years of industrial experience from specially thermal power plants. He obtained MTech in heat power, refrigeration and air conditioning from JNTU Hyderabad, and he pursued PhD in mechanical engineering from JNTU Anantapur. He held various administrative posts and developed the institution with projects and developmental activities. Dr. S. Srinath Reddy Garu has published 84 international and national reputed journals and 13 international and national conference papers. He is a member of governing bodies of various institutions of GNIT. He received many awards for his publications. He served as editorial board member and editor-in-chief for many journals. Now, I request Dr. S. Srinath Reddy Garu to address the virtual gathering.
Everyone, as a principal of Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and on behalf of the organizing committee, I am delighted to welcome today's our distinguished guests, the participants from various institutions and also from various industries, and our management, our Vice Chairman of GNI, Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli Garu, and our beloved Managing Director, Dr. H.S. Saini Garu, the Director of Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus, Dr. M. Ramlingareddy Garu, Associate Directors, Deans, Head of the Departments, Faculty Members, Students of GNI, and all the participants across the country, very good morning to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to know that the Department of Civil Engineering is conducting the National E-Conference on Recent Advances in Civil Engineering, that is RACE 2020, being hosted by the Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus Autonomous and Guru Nanak Institute of Technology affiliated to JNTH in association with the Institution of Engineers, Telangana State Center, Hyderabad on 19th September 2020, that is today. I take this opportunity to welcome all the academicians, research scholars, veterans and other participants for this national conference. I hope this conference provides a platform to share various ideas and innovations. In the long run, these conferences would benefit the research community and foster development activity for the welfare of society. My best regards are for the organizers and wish them good luck for the grand success of this event. Thank you to all.
Thanks for the inspiring speech, sir.
Thank you for your valuable message, sir.
Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. A. Govardhan, Professor, Rector, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. He is presently a Professor of Computer Science Engineering, Rector and Executive Council Member, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. He served and held several academic and administrative positions. He is the recipient of 33 international and national awards, including Best Senior Scientist Award and Dwam Mehta Academic Leadership Award, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna National Award, AP State Government Best Teacher Award, Pride of Asian International Award, and Best Principal Bharat Seva Ratna Puraskar, CSI Chapter Patent Award, Bharat Jyoti Award, International Intellectual Development Award, and Mother Teresa Award for Outstanding Services, Achievements and Contributions and Meritorious Service, Outstanding Performance and Remarkable Role in the Field of Education and Service of the Nation. I request Dr. A. Govardhan sir to address the virtual gathering. I am glad to note that Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus is organizing a national level e-conference on recent advances in civil engineering RACE 2020 with ISBN proceedings and souvenir. This conference would certainly benefit young researchers, teaching fraternity and industrial delegates in terms of generating novel ideas that adventure with evolving technologies, explore new experimental methods and take intellectual initiatives. Further, in order to discover and expand the
frontiers of knowledge, I strongly believe that the present conference would build a platform for exchange of views and promotions of research and innovation in the national building process. I appreciate the efforts made by the student, staff, and the entire team of Department of Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Institutions for organizing this event. I wish the Race 2020 a grand success.
Thank you for your valuable speech, sir.
Now I would like to introduce today's guest of honor, Dr. M. Manzoor Hussain, Registrar, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. He is specialized in production engineering. His research interests include production engineering, engineering mechanics, CAD/CAM and computing techniques, PLM and PDM. He received Best Teacher Award in 2017 and Meritorious Teachers in the year 2016 from Telangana State Government Higher Education Department. He is founder and principal of JNTU College of Engineering, Sultanpur, Sangareddy district. I request Dr. M. Manzoor Hussain to address the gathering.
Guru Nanak Institutions, Technical Campus and Guru Nanak Institute of Technology are combinedly conducting National E-Conference on recent advances in civil engineering. I appreciate the management, the principal, head of the Department of Civil Engineering and faculty for coming out with a proposal for this national conference, and they are providing a platform for research scholars and advanced research scientists to come and represent their work, and which is going to be a benefit for every new MTech or PhD student, those who are entering into the area of research. The conference proposed by Guru Nanak Institutions is really a area where the advances in civil engineering, maybe the high-rise buildings or earthquake resistance buildings or big structures, all these where the new designs are coming or the new concepts are coming will be represented by the different research scholars. I wish the management and the entire team for coming out with this type of activity, academic activity in their campus, which is very much related to the students and the faculty of the group of institutions, and this is going to be give the benefit to everybody in that campus, and I hope all the participants are going to take the advantage out of it, and they are going to participate and they are going to present their work. Thereby the people will be understanding the new areas, they can discuss, they can clarify their doubts in the area, and this is going to be one of the best activity of the Guru Nanak. Mostly these Guru Nanak institutions, they do a lot of academic activities. I wish that these colleges will keep it up and they continue with this academic course. I wish entire team all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational speech.
Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. C.H. Venkatramana Reddy, Director, Admissions, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. He has over 30 years of experience in teaching and research in chemistry. He received Teaching Excellence Award from Indus Foundation, and also he received Adarsh Vidya Saraswati Rashtriya Puraskar National Award from Global Management Council. He worked as Director, University Industry Interaction Council, JNTUH, University Placement Officer, JNTUH, Chairman, Board of Studies in Chemistry, JNTUH, Head of Department of Chemistry, JNTUH, Chairman, CRC, Member, CFE and Telangana State Pollution Control Board. He was member of Board of Studies in Chemistry for various universities and autonomous colleges, Council member of Indian Chemical Society, Kolkata, Governing body member of few affiliated pharmacy and engineering colleges of JNTUH, member board of Associate Editor of Journal of Indian Chemical Society. I request Dr. C.H. Venkatramana Reddy to share his valuable message to the gathering.
A very good morning to all the participants of the conference organized by Guru Nanak Group of Institutions, Technical Campus, an autonomous institution under JNTH, and Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, an affiliated institution under JNTH, the Department of Civil Engineering in association with the Institution of Engineers India, the Hyderabad chapter, along with other experts from industry, academia, business circle, and so on, proposes to organize an excellent conference, Recent Advances in Civil Engineering 2020, a virtual conference being organized on 19th of September 2020 for benefit of the students, research scholars, academia, industry persons, and other stakeholders, and especially all the people who are connected with the civil engineering domain. So I congratulate the organizers, especially the management, the principals of both the institutes, the organizing committee, and other people whomever are involved in organizing this conference to make it a grand success. So on behalf of JNTU Hyderabad, as a director admissions, and on my own behalf, I congratulate all the participants, experts from various fields, and the management, the faculty, students, and all others who are going to participate and present their work on during this conference. I congratulate all of them. Coming to that of civil engineering by default engineering refers only to civil engineering. Most all other branches have emerged out of civil engineering, especially those which are non-circuit branches emerged from civil engineering. Civil engineering obviously a very great engineering discipline which is very near to that of human needs. So it starts, any engineering starts from civil engineering only. Now that it has evolved into several domains, and now that coming to that of the latest aspect that we talk about, very recently the government of India has started funding in the development of Amrut cities, and then coming to that of several other infrastructural developments as airports, national highways, golden quadrangle in the entire India, which was started by late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and the present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also taking forward to connect all the major cities across the India. All this is possible by means of civil engineering only. The smart cities, Amrut cities, and so on, all these are but for the contribution of civil engineering only. There are several domains that have emerged, so the green engineering, green building, and so on, and usage of several non-conventional materials in construction process, and designs pertaining to withstanding the seismic calamities, and so on. So all these could be definitely discussed at this conference, and pre-engineered buildings and reinforced soil structures, engineered landfills and segmental bridges, smart concretes, mass rapid transit systems, and urban transport planning, urban stormwater drainage systems, structural health monitoring, prefabricated buildings, and so on. These are all several thrust areas, new civil engineering domains that have emerged, where the researchers, practicing civil engineers, and industry people, which are part of the civil engineering domain, they have been working to develop for the benefit of the civil engineering, for the entire mankind. And apart from this, and to my understanding, a very big lack, in the case of particularly the plumbing engineering, which is part of civil engineering domain. We hardly find experts, particularly expert engineers, which can address to this problem. Though there are only several unskilled and less educated people are there, the civil engineering is unable to address this, particularly the plumbing issues pertaining to water supply, sewage management and fire safety in high-rise buildings and in mega cities such as Hyderabad and so on, where the old drainage system, be it as a drainage, whether it is a rain water or it is a sewage system, and also water supply systems, all these could be addressed if there are a thorough expertise in the case of plumbing engineering involving civil engineering. So this is one thrust area the civil engineers perhaps would address on this occasion, because this is a big gathering where the civil engineering people can think about it and bring about reforms and address this issue. So once again, thank you all the people for giving me this opportunity. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao, Chairman, the Institute of Engineers, Conference Co-Chair. He has more than 36 years of service experience in the Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board. As his academic background is from environmental engineering, he worked in various cadres in government sectors. He is fellow member in Institute of Engineers, life member of Indian Water Works Association, member of American Water Works Association, life member of Indian Concrete Institute, and many. He was awarded as Eminent Engineer Award in 2018, Best Design Environmental Engineer in 2012, Certificate of Appreciation by Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for Water Supply System in Core City after a gap of 24 years, outstanding service by HMW SSB, recognition of successful completion of Krishna Drinking Water Supply Project Phase 2. He was associated with Institute of Engineers for more than 32 years. I request Dr. G. Rameshwar Rao sir to address the gathering.
I am very happy to say a few words about the Guru Nanak Institution of the Technology. The Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and Guru Nanak Institutions of Technical Campus, Autonomous, the Hyderabad, Telangana, in association with the Institution of Engineers, India, Telangana State Center, is organizing the first national conference on recent advances in civil engineering 2020 on 19th September 2020. The main objective of this conference is to provide a vibrant platform to deliberate on recent developments and the recent advances in civil engineering by bringing together the researchers and academicians and industry professionals around the globe under the one roof. That is, RACE 2020 provides an excellent opportunity to all the budding engineers to share the advances in civil engineering, how they are doing the metro, just like metro rails, Mission Bhagiratha, Mission Kakatiya, like Kaleshwaram projects. They are used the latest technologies and technology, and they are innovative ideas. They did the works as early as possible. They completed the schemes. So I would like to congratulate the management and organizers for taking of monumental task, being the intact with the current research topics from various domain areas and providing this professional career. I am confident this international conference, RACE 2020, will keep up contributing the more efficient to achieve the ultimate goal for which the RACE 2020 was established. I wish all to get a unique opportunity to collaborate with the researchers around the world with boundaries in vibrant environment race 2020. All the best for the national conference. Institution of Engineers India is entered centenary celebrations. We are celebrating centenary year, and I would like to congratulate the management of Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and Guru Nanak Institution of Technical Campus, Autonomous Hyderabad, and also especially thanks to Sardar Tanwar Singh Kohil, the chairman of the institution, and also Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohil, that is the vice chairman of Guru Nanak institutions, and Ramalinga Reddy, director, Guru Nanak Institution of Technology, and Roshin Saha, the associate director, and Dr. P. Jagadishan, the professor and HOD Department of Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Engineering. We are really thankful for associating the Institution of Engineers in this centenary year. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable speech, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. P. Sudharani to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, B.C. Rao, Director, PG Center and Project Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad.
Now, I would like to invite our chief guest, B.C. Rao sir. Mr. B.C. Rao is the Director, PG Center and Projects Division, National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad. He is postgraduate in Civil Engineering Structures from NIT Warangal, and he has done his PG International Commercial Law from Nansar University. He is volunteered in several executive committees of state government, Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, honorary advisor to few educational chapters. He conducts national conferences for precast engineering every year and for Association of Consulting Civil Engineers. He is having memberships in PMI, Fellow Institute of Engineers. He is a founder trustee of PSI, Indian Green Building Council. He guided IIIT PD students for project works. He plays a key role for planning and marketing the finishing school for engineering graduates. He established Engineering and Construction Forum with local PMI chapter. He established Center for the Third Party of High-Rise Buildings, due diligence for major infrastructure, including awards of international contracts for compliances. He has contributory role for getting prestigious awards like Golden Peacock, ASTRAE and other awards. He is on board for PG Center for Diploma in Construction Management, Facility Management and Construction Safety. Now, I request Mr. B.C. Rao Garu to address the virtual gathering.
Good morning all. It's a very privilege for me to be with you today in this race 2020, and it's a fantastic event that is happening from the management of Guru Nanak Institutes. Especially I appreciate the chairman Mr. Kohli and vice chairman Gagandeep and MD Mr. Sayani for bringing up this particular event for the benefit of industry and academia in a very big way. Today, this particular hard work, we have to recognize the force behind this particular thing. Mr. Rishi Sahil, Associate Director, and Gagan Jagadishan, right? Jagadishan, a professor and HOD of Civil Engineering, for this mega event. And today we have with us the eminent personalities from the academia, that Dr. Venkatramana Reddy Garu from Higher Education, JNTU, and Dr. Rameshwara Garu, Institution of Engineers, Chairman, also my close friend, in fact, and two other keynote speakers, Dr. Jagannath Rao Garu, Professor CBIT, and Dr. MESS Giridhar Garu, Professor from JNTU. So this August gathering is something really for this race 2020 today? Why is the question mark now in front of us as a chief guest for this particular occasion? As a chief guest of this occasion, I would like to share few important points. The first and foremost of this particular thing here is all these eminent personalities who are with us today have contributed several perspectives and also their vision and country also continue to contribute at national level for the specific problems that are in front of the government as well as the institutions. It's really appreciable from the point of their contributory role that has been keeping for quite the last 1 decade. Now, I was given an opportunity to speak to you on the real quality of the industry-academia collaboration. Today I would like to share my views on industry collaboration in a different perspective altogether. Today you are going to have the information about the National Academy of Construction, where I come from. I am director for the project division as well as the PG Center for the construction management and infrastructure related courses. We are initiated and part of the Telangana government as an educational society aimed at for skilling the youth of the society, especially throughout the nation. It's not limited to Telangana. We are also training the trainers in a big way. And also the artisans, they belong almost to all trades, nearly 22 trades, including the general supervision, electrical, plumbing and all these trades. Level 2, that is called from the 10th class education, basic qualification. From there on, it will go up to the level 5, up to the post-graduation level. So we have done almost around 4 lakh youth are skilled from this particular institute and our branches throughout the state for the last 18 years. After the state is divided, we have achieved around 4 lakh exclusively in this last 6 years place. Coming back to the fourth pillar, that is industry, where the entire opportunity for the youth, it is going to be their place. Today it may be 3 years, 4 years or 5 years or 6 years. They spend at the universities and the institutions, but the rest of the life, that is their place where they are going. How they are able to adapt it, own it, and then enhance their capabilities day in and day out. This is both connected at the industry level as well as the student level. So this particular aspect is to be taken into in a very big way, and that is how I feel that this race 2020 is going to help understand the perspectives that various keynote speakers going to contribute, and the guest of honors, they are also going to contribute in a big way. And I am sure that this particular event is going to help us understand these 4 pillars and focus on the capabilities and the contributory role of all these 4 pillars in a big manner. Yes, we have definitely out of this conference, we are going to get an outcome, recommendation, perspectives, how to go about into in a big way, enriching our students and faculty in the coming years. This shall not go only limited to our conference proceedings as well as only some sort of learning. It has to conclude into the recommendation to various bodies, whether it is 3 levels or 4 levels, to reach up to the government, to the central government level. The recommendations from this particular conference shall be in such manner that it will reach various levels and they will accept the richness of the content that you are going to make the recommendation. Thank you all, and I wish you a grand success of this particular RACE 2020. Thank you for the opportunity given to me.
Thank you, sir, for the inspiring speech.
Thank you for your admirable speech, sir.
Now I request Dr. Mumtaz Wali, convener of RACE 2020 and also Professor of Civil Engineering Department of Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus, to propose vote of thanks. He is a doctorate in hydrogeology. He is having total 27 years of experience in industry, research and teaching. He is having more than 19 years experience in industry in the field of remote sensing, image processing and GIS projects. He has done research in the development and advanced image processing. He has wide experience in remote sensing, image processing technique, development and GIS integration with communication technologies, remote sensing technique development for thematic extraction, integrated GIS and IP approach for solving problems of natural resources. He worked for Space Applications Ahmedabad, National Remote Sensing Center Hyderabad, Snow and Avalanche Study Establishment Chandigarh, IDST Pune, Tirupati Forest Development, Agartala and other state government projects. He is a member of Indian Water Works Association Mumbai. He is a life member of Indian Society of Remote Sensing Dehradun. He also got minor research project funded by University Grants Commission. He was working as General Manager Projects in ORG Informatics.
A warm and graceful morning to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B.C. Rao, Guest of Honors, GNI Management, the Institute of Engineers India, Telangana State Center, authors of papers, research scholars, worthy faculties, parents, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this national conference on recent advances in civil engineering 2020 online. I, Dr. S.S. Mumtaz Wali, Professor in Civil Engineering and convener RACE 2020 on behalf of Guru Nanak Institutions RACE 2020 Committee and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success with the pandemic, where conducting online virtual event was a Herculean task. With these blessings and grace, we will be able to make this event what it is now. I extend our hearty full thanks to the Chairman of GNI, respected Sardar Tavinder Singh Kohli and Chief Patron RACE 2020 for giving permission and support to organize this conference in all the possible ways to make it grand success. I would also like to convey hearty thanks to the technical team led by the head IT service who worked behind the scene to make this event happen for providing technical support. Finally, I would like to thank to electronic media for covering this virtual conference 2020. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this virtual conference 2020 memorable for all of us. On behalf of GNI, let me thank all students of GNI.
Thank you for your valuable message, sir. There will be a break for 15 minutes and later the session will be resumed by our keynote speakers.